this section, we are going to be looking at computer science, or some people call it computer studies or computing. And we're going to look at how EV3 can be used in these areas to support the curriculum area. Here, we can cover many aspects of that computing curriculum, such as understanding algorithms, using Boolean logic, understanding hardware and software components, including input and output devices. There's 3 just to begin with. We're going to take one example, Boolean logic, and I'm going to write quickly a program for you to see in action. And we're going to use the touch sensor to demonstrate this. So, first thing I need to do is I need to attach the touch sensor. I'm going to attach this to the front of my robot. And I'm going to connect it up to port number 1. By default, that's what we normally do. So I've connected up the touch sensor to port number 1. I'm going to pick up my tablet, and we're going to drag in the loop and the switch blocks to create a simple program that the robot backs away when the touch sensor is pressed. So let's try this. So first of all, I bring in my loop block, and this loops forever. And then I'm going to bring in my switch block and drop that into place. Now, as you can see, by default, it's the touch sensor that is highlighted or selected, ready to be used. So you can notice the tick and the cross, or true and a false. So when we press the touch sensor, true or the tick, we want the robot to move backwards. So I go back to my action palette, bring in my move steering block, and to make it reverse, we simply bring it to a negative number. So if I choose -50, you can see the arrow on the left-hand side is now pointing downwards for reverse. And in the cross, or where the button hasn't been pressed, I'm just going to leave blank, as you can see. So if we download this program, hit the play button, it's constantly asking itself, has the button been pressed? Has the button been pressed? No, do nothing. Now, when I press it, the question changes, or the answer changes to yes. It should back away for 1 rotation. Brilliant. And I'll just once more, just to prove it wasn't a fluke. Brilliant. That's a great example of Boolean logic. One answer or the other.